Today, I'm going to introduce a software that helps you automatically send bulk friend requests to your potential customers on Facebook. To connect with high-quality prospects on Facebook, the first thing we need is a tool that can scan potential customers from the right places. This software allows you to collect user data from Facebook groups, competitor posts, reels, and other public interactions. First, we use the data scanning feature. Here, I choose the interaction scan function. Next, select scan by post ID. Besides this option, you can also scan by profile, page, or group, depending on your strategy. In this example, I'm scanning a competitor's post. I simply paste the post UID here. You can also set how many users you want to scan per UID. Our software does not limit the number, so you can scan as many profiles as you want. After that, select the accounts you want to use and click Start. Once the scan is complete, the software will export an Excel file like this. The file includes UID, Facebook profile link, name, and gender. Now, copy the UIDs of your potential customers. Next, go to the Add Friend function. Choose Make Friend with UID, then paste the UIDs here. You can configure how many friend requests each account will send, and set the time delay between actions to keep everything natural and safe. Finally, select your accounts and click Start. That's it. The software will automatically send friend requests to your targeted potential customers, helping you save time and scale your Facebook outreach efficiently.